Good afternoon. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Hey, Dave here. We're trying out this, man, I don't even know what the name is. It's like a selfie stick, except that it twists at the end. I have the word there. I'll bring it up, or I'll type it in the description below. But I'm trying this one on because it's pretty much a selfie stick. It's the advantage about this one is that I can quickly twist it, and we can bring up the watching procedure here. That pretty much I'm going towards the sun area, but I'm here at the farm here at Pickles Farms, and I'm gonna walk around just a bit here. I wanted to try out this selfie stick. I had bought it last year, but I wasn't able to use it because of COVID-19. There was really nothing to do other than stay home and get under that lockdown. And maybe you're not able to hear me with all this wind, but this is coming out of a GoPro Hero 9 under standard mode, 60 frames per second. Now, the good thing about this selfie stick is that I'm going to be able to switch it back to me. Right here, see? That's the difference in this selfie stick. I think it's called a spike or a yike, or I'll get the name eventually somewhere. It's a nice little selfie stick. It comes with it came with an optional floating device, so that in case I were to use this under near the water or on the water, if I let go of the selfie stick, it'll float up, and I won't lose the GoPro or the selfie stick, pretty much. So obviously, if I cover myself against the sun behind me, I look a little bit darker. But it's a neat little item. I'm taking to the Philippines in a few days. I like it because it twists, which means that I don't have to be switching the camera around. I just pretty much, it's got a little button here where you can just switch the camera. And right here, and then I can switch it. And here I am again. It's a nifty little item. I like it. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to use it because I bought it during the time of COVID-19. I didn't think we were gonna have our freedom taken away, but it was taken away. So I'm gonna process this, and y'all have a good afternoon. I'm gonna put this up here. See how it looks like.